What's up, everybody? This is OCT Hannibal again, and here's my fourth part to my fireworks stash. I went to the fireworks Superstore in Hannibal, Missouri again yesterday, and will be the last fireworks pickup for the 4th of July this year. If all goes as planned, September is when I'll start for the 2017 fireworks stash. So here's what I got yesterday. I got 4 boxes of these 3 whistling moon travelers with report, $4 a piece. Put these over here out of the way. Then I got this Flippin' the Bird by Supreme Fireworks. And Pyro Chris, you influenced me to get these after I saw your stash video, and it's like, I gotta get these. So I got 2 boxes of the Zombie Blaster horror shells. Right here. So I got 2 boxes of those. Got these double ring rockets by Mega Banger. And then I got Living Dead by Dominator. Night of Living Dead from the 60s is my favorite horror movie, and I got 2 of those. One there, one over there. And then I got Highfalutin by Brothers, The Sound of Color by Pyro Planet, Cheers, Texas Outlaw, I think it's Red Rhino, or that's a Red Rhino company, Medalist by Brothers, Party Like a Rock Star by Big, True Art by World Class Fireworks, then Star Keeper 200 gram by Brothers. Oh, and they carry Phantom products now, so I picked up one. I got Kona Gold 10 shot, Black Magic by Powder Keg Fireworks, CEDC by Cutting Edge Fan 30 shot 500 gram, and I got Guerrilla Warfare by World Class. And I also got these G-Force by Winda 24 canister shells. And I noticed this on the back of the box too. Number 1 and 2, Pigeon Blood. First one's Pigeon Blood Red and Deep Green Dahlia with white strobe, and the second one is Pigeon Blood Red and Lemon Dahlia with green strobe. Cool. There's all the effects on the back. So I had to get those. And this is all I picked up yesterday. Stuff over here that I took off the cakes. And here soon, in a week or so, I'm going to do a whole stash update of all my stuff. All my other stuff's over here. As you can see, there's some in the back. Got stuff over there I don't want to get around. There's a few other things in the back on the other side of that Shoot the Moon by Winda. But here's an overview again of what I got yesterday. This is the most fireworks I've ever had too. So oh, and the Excaliburs, you probably can't see them real well. They're down there, and I'll get those out in my next video when I go over my full stash. So hope you guys like the video, comment, hopefully subscribe, and like I said, in a week or so I'll have the full stash update for 2016, this 4th of July. So hope you guys like the video, and later, Pyros.